At home, he is a simple Bade Bhai. We call him Bade Bhai. So he is our elder brother, that is. So he is so simple, down to earth, a very simple person. But today, after this, after so many years, for the first time I came here to hear about his life in Food Corporation of India. It's really great, and I'm feeling very, very proud of my brother. Morning I came from Hyderabad. Both my parents are bedridden. Like my father is more a bedridden person now. So I told him कि मैं विजयवाड़ा जा रही हूँ, क्या बोलूँ? Then he asked me क्यों जा रहे? Then I said my brother यामिन बड़ भाई retire हो रहे ना. Then he was surprised. Then he said मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बूढ़ा हो गया क्या? यामिन retire हो जा रहे आज. Like that my father was telling. Then I said, then he told me congratulate him on this day, and he is feeling very sad he could not make it to Vijayawada. But another thing he told me, whenever my father was ill, my brother used to be there the very next moment. That whenever we call, my father get ill, and recently, this is the third time I think my father became very, very serious and he was critical. The moment we make a call to my brother to Vijayawada, very next moment he will take a bus, he will come to Hyderabad and take care of my father. Till he come, the moment he come at home, whenever he come to Hyderabad, I feel relaxed because I am staying with my parents. So when he come there, he take care of my father in the intensive care unit and everything. The moment if the doctor says कि अभी अजीम साहब अच्छे हो गए, when he says this to my brother, then he immediately shift his mind to Food Corporation of India. He says कि सुबह में मेरे को गोडाउन को जाना है, कुछ ना कुछ problem है. Like that, very next moment again he will that what I mean to explain here is he think about our family, father, then the next thing he think about is Food Corporation of India, the work, the job. He is so dedicated there. So another thing my father told is, अरे अब यामिन job में नहीं है तो कैसा? Like that he was thinking, because Food Corporation, he wanted to thank, he told me personally to thank Food Corporation of India because all the bills was bared by Food Corporation of India. So many times my father was not well and admitted in the care hospital, right from little tablet to the top whatever payment was there in lakhs, I think, I don't know, but he never mentioned as Yamin. But for that my father is very, very, very thankful to the Food Corporation of India. My mother also said, and I'm keeping my phone on there because she wanted to hear how her son is being talked about. She's so anxious. She would have come. She's a very smart lady, but because of my father she could not travel to Vijayawada. And one more thing I want to tell about my brother is I had a little tragedy in my life when my husband expired long back in 1999. I was really shocked, and it was the greatest loss in my life. But my brothers, I have 4 brothers, we are 3 sisters. My brother came all the way from Vijayawada. Very next moment he was there with me, and that was the moment when I felt there is somebody to look after me. There is somebody, I have my family, my brothers to take care of me, and he is the person who forced me to join bank because I am a graduate. I also graduated from Nizamabad. When I was married, one day I asked my husband, why पढ़ के क्या फायदा है? I asked like that. Just like that I asked one day. Then this thing I realized when my husband expired, when my brother said कि तुम पढ़ी लिखी है, तुम graduate है, why don't you join bank? When those people came and asked me to join, then I joined because he pressurized me. He said when you work you will divert your mind, and that came very true in my life. I could do that. So that way we are I'm continuing my life, and another 7 years I think I'll also retire. I'm also going to become an old lady, but my brother, as everybody said, he is looking young. Definitely, yes. Children in my family call him Amitabh Bachchan also. I don't know. So he's really, but he is very hardworking, down to earth, a very simple person. And I thank on behalf of all my family members, to all the food corporation staff and employees and dignitaries. Thank you so much, and I wish my brother and his family a very happy retired life. And one more simple thing, I think I am taking lot of time, but my brother dedicated most of his time to food corporation. That's why I think he couldn't give much time to the family. When some proposal comes, he spend only Sunday. So I told one day, agar tum shaadi kar rahe beti ki, so one day he will make nikah, other Sunday he will take for reception, because he will not take leave. I don't know how many leaves he has accumulated, and I don't know. So that was his situation, like that. So I wish him a very happy retired life, and as my